is a beautiful day in March. We are here in Taravista coming to you with a teaser for an open concept 2-bed, 2-bathroom. A really fantastic unit, a lot of space, nice condition. The laundry has an extra kind of storage area. Plus, you get a storage locker and a parking stall with this unit. So we're coming on priced really well for this market. Really excited to show you this unit. You can get more information in the description below. Give us a call to check it out. And until next time, keep it real.